Many people have tried nylon printing and failed, not because the business is bad, but because they were taught wrongly. Today, I'm about to teach you the right step to print on your nylon without any mistake. Today, you're about to learn the right way and right process that actually work from this nylon printing from the start to finish. Today, if you have tried this many times and you have failed, or maybe you have wasted materials and still you did not get it, don't panic. Since you are here today, I'm going to teach you the accurate step to take. After watching this video, you'll be getting it correctly. All you have to do for me is to watch this video from beginning to end. After watching it, from today you will not make mistake. You will do your print on your nylon and get it correctly. Are you coming across my video for the first time? My name is V Ward. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your product. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share this very video as it helps us grow our page, and so you won't miss any update from V Ward Nylon Production Company. Now, let's start. So today is all about nylon printing. I'm going to teach you how to print on nylon. Remember, in our previous video, we explained the materials needed for this nylon printing and their uses, how to use each and every material. So today I'm going to teach you how to make use of that material that I introduced the other day, how to use it to print on your nylon. Today we are going to print on our nylon. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's start. This is our mesh. I've already constructed this mesh. See, it's V Ward Nylon Poly. I've already constructed this mesh, but see the one that I haven't construct. I'm still going to upload the video on how to construct the mesh. So if you want me to teach you how to construct the mesh, just like and comment. Let me know at the comment section. Just the amount of comments I get and the amount of like I get on this video will determine whether you people are interested in learning how to construct this mesh like this. So this is my already constructed mesh. So I'm going to explain to you how I construct it. Just using this wood and the net. You have to pin the net on the wool like this. When you pin it, you now coat the mesh with your emulsion and sensitizer. After coating it, you place your artwork on top of it with kerosene, then expose it to sunlight. So after exposing it for like 10 minutes to 15 minutes, you bring it out and it becomes like this. When you bring it out, you wash it and it becomes like this. So today, without wasting much of your time, we are going to print on this nylon today now. So now let's proceed. So this is my ink. This is the black ink we are going to use and print on this nylon. This is black ink. Remember, I told you people they have many colors of this. If you want blue, you can buy blue. If you want yellow, you can buy blue. Let me also know at the comment section the one you buy, because I know that you are following along better. Let me know the one you buy, the one you are using for your own right now. As I'm going to do it, make sure you follow well. So this is our ink. So which one am I going to use between this and this? This is screw G. Are we going to use this or this? Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so these are tape. We are going to make sure. Remember, I told you that the use of this tape is we use it to cover the edges so that the ink will not penetrate to the main nylon. That's the essence of this. So we are going to use this tape now to wrap, cover the edges of this. Now, what else do we need? Okay, our board, our PVD printing board. This is it. If you don't have this board, you can actually do it, but this board is just to make work easier for me, and equally so that your work will be smooth, will come out smooth. Your nylon, your mesh, we were able to stay one place without disturbing and everything. But if you don't have it, you can still do your own correctly. You can still place your own on the table like this and do it. But I'm going to use this thing to make work easier for me. Now, see it. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to place it on the table. So another thing is you are going to bring your mesh like this, and we are going to cover our mesh now. Remember, I make use of two artwork. up and down. The reason is that I have a lot of work to print on, so I am going to be using one first until that one gets rough. You understand? I will now start using the other one so that it will be easy for me. That's why I did two. If you like, you can do one as a beginner. You can just do one so that it will not stress you. You understand? Now we are going to cover it. Now we are going to cover one part so that we will make use of one, so that, because if you leave it like that, ink might penetrate to the other one and spoil it. That's why you are going to cover one part now. So let's proceed. I'm going to use this thing and cover it. If you like, you can use nylon or anything and cover, or you can use only your tape and cover it, but I want to use this thing and cover it first. See it, I've already put it. Hope you're seeing it. See where I put it, like this. So now this is my tape. So you use your hand and do it well. Make sure you fix it well. The same process you do here, like this. So you are going to be doing it like that, one after the other. You see? See how I'm doing it? See how I'm doing it? Make sure you cover it like this. Then here, you cover this one too. Make sure you apply your sellotape round, and make sure you are doing it straight. You can equally use this type of sellotape. See how what I'm doing now? Any type of sellotape you like, you can use it. So after using your sellotape, remember you are going to, is that if you have only one artwork, you understand, all you have to do is just to close this side and leave the rest. You understand? The reason why I put the paper here is for me not to start wasting my sellotape here. That's why I just put paper here and use sellotape and cover here and here. Remember, the essence of the sellotape is so that your ink will not penetrate and touch the main work you are doing. So now let's proceed. This is my PVD printing board. So remember, if you don't have printing board, once you are done with sellotaping, you just keep it and start printing. But now if you have your PVD printing board, what you are going to do is to insert it like this. See it? See where I cover? I don't want to make use of here now, because after using this one, I will now open this one and start using it. So I'm going to place this thing like this. You scroll this thing up like this, wind it up and put it here. Once you insert it, you now bring it down, you tight it, make sure it's very tight. You tie this one too, make sure it's very tight. I've tied it. See the outcome. That's why I said PVD printing board will make work easy for you. Just open, close, open, close. Assuming you are two, you will be doing the work, another person will be print. Once you open it, the person will just remove it. You do. Very simple. If you don't have it, it's okay. You just do your own like that. Post it on the table and do it like that. So now let's proceed. This is my ink. Remember, if the thing is too thick, you can use fuel or kerosene or thinner to mix it. Understand? To make give it the actual this thing that you want. See it, my own is okay. I don't have to mix it. It's very okay. But if your own is thick, very thick, because there are some ink you buy and it's very thick, what you have to do is to mix it with fuel, thinner, or kerosene. Now let me keep it one side. So this is my spoon that I'm going to use and be bringing out the ink. So I want to keep this thing here in case after bringing out the ink from the after making use of my spoon, I will keep it here so that the ink will not stain my whatever I'm doing here. Understand? That's why I want to keep this thing here. So now I'm going to check it. I'm going to test it with this. For example, if customer ordered 100 pieces of this thing and you test it with this one, and eventually you that is just starting, you did not get it, what are you going to do? You have already wasted material. That's why I want to use this. So follow my step now. Whatever I'm doing, just do it now. You use this one and test it, or any, even though it's white sheet or any other white thing, something that is transparent, you can use it to test it. And if it's good, you get it correctly, you can proceed and bring out your nylon. Remember, this is my plain sheets. You understand? It's like this. Companies do sell it like this, by bundles or by bag. Understand? You order by bag, they will bill it for you wherever you are. Remember, World Company also do this to help you uh, print it. Even though you don't want us to print it, we give you the plain sheets like this. As you can see, they have not print anything on it. It's still plain, very neat. It's still plain. If you want the PVD printing board like this, just like this, and with the material, with the full set of this thing, we are going to deliver it to you, the package, so that you not find anything difficult. Remember I said some people find it difficult to do this, not that the business is bad, because just that they were taught wrongly, understand? But now I don't just teach, I also show you the way where you are going to get this material, the full box. We deliver the full box of this. You don't have to stress yourself. All you have to do is to contact us. We're going to deliver the full box and the whole material. If you want the whole materials on it, we're going to do it for you. Just like to my DM. And so look at, remember this thing we deliver it to. So now let's proceed. Next thing we are going to do is to print on this to test it. Remember, you have to use rough sheet or wherever you want to use and test it. Use it and test it. When you get it, you can proceed to start printing what you are printing. So you have to place the one you are using to test here like this, or if you want to use the main nylon, good. See it, I've already placed it. If you want, you can adjust it anywhere you want your artwork to be. Now is you that is going to place it. You just place it there. See, I've placed mine. It's okay. So next, after placing it, this is my ink. You use your spoon or wherever you want to use and bring your ink and apply your ink. See my screw G, remember we choose yellow. So this is my ink. I'm going to take 1 spoon of this like this. You place it here. 1 spoon is okay. Don't have to apply much of it. See, you keep your spoon, then close this one and shift it. Make sure you close it well so that it won't. Now, this is the time. Okay, let me adjust this one. Okay, then you apply with force, not too force, but you have to. It's not what you don't pamper it. Do it like this. 1 again. You go again. Then let's go again. Let's go. You see? So let's now remove it. Wonderful. Wonderful. You see, it's very nice. World Poly special for Okpa. You see, it's very, very, very nice and okay and neat as you want it. So now you can go ahead and start making use of your plain sheet. So let's make use of our plain sheet now. Let me keep this one here. So now it's time for you to bring out your main plain sheet, the main nylon. So now this is it. You have to bring it out, then you place it. Make sure it's in straight line. Make sure you arrange it well. Then you keep it like this. You arrange it. After arranging it, remember we still have ink that we are going to use. No need of you to apply another ink. Now let's go again. Now you bring it out. You see? Very neat work. V-word poly. You see it? Very easy. You don't have to stress yourself much. You see it? V-word poly. As easy as that. Okay, let's go one more time. Let's go one more time. V-word poly. You see? We have successfully print on this thing. Very easy as that. So you will just continue, follow the same process and continue to be printing it as many as you want. So if you want the World Company to print for you, we are available. Just contact us with the number above. We are going to help you print wherever you want us to print for you. We just do it. If you want it manually, you that is watching the video, hope you are following. If there is any question or anything you want me to, you are still confused, just let me know at the comment section. And if you want us to teach you this thing physical, you can contact us. And if you want it online too, we are going to guide you, teach you. And if you want the box, the equipment that you are going to use to do it, we are available. We are going to do it for you. We help you print, we help you buy equipment. We also teach you, guide you. And if you want me to teach you how to construct your merge and how to apply your emotion, how to mix everything, just comment on the comment section, like and share this very video. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. I love you all. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, comment and share this very video as it helps us grow our page, and so you won't miss any updates from V1 Nylon Production Company. We love you, we love you, we love you. See you in my next video. Bye.